Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome in K.Z Kitchen. How are you friends? I hope you are well. K.Z Kitchen brings new, quick, easy and delicious recipes for you every day. Same today. Today I'm gonna make for you bread with chicken and conch salad. It's my own creation and you can see it's too much beautiful creation of mine. You can make this bread in high teas, special occasions, any great event. Inshallah ta'ala, you will be praised. Let's start the preparation of this bread. I have taken 1/4 cup cooking oil here, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 2 tablespoon leveled yeast. Now I am adding 1 and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder because I am not gonna add egg here. And I have added 1 cup lukewarm water in it. Let's mix it. Okay, now I'm gonna add 3 cups our bread flour, normal flour which we use in daily use. Okay, now it starts kneading. Okay, you can see it has been fermented, which we make a slurry. I'm gonna teach you how to prepare a greatest dough at home by which you can make different types of breads and also which has no egg at least. You can say it's eggless dough and that would be our bestest dough of our life. Okay, I am kneading this dough. I had applied some cooking oil more. Now I am kneading it and now I will leave it for 2 hours. I will cover any napkin on it. Let's come to our COANCH salad. Let's see what are the ingredients. Okay, here I have 1 chopped green chilli. I have discarded the seeds, 1 lemon, 3/4 cup sweet corns and 1 capsicum chopped, also 1 large tomato chopped with seeds and also 1 large onion chopped. And here I have fresh coriander, 3 tablespoons and also grated cottage cheese here. Also I have chopped cabbage. It's also 3/4 or half cup. Let's add all of these ingredients in a bowl and make our salad, COANCH salad. I will add almost all of these ingredients in it and I will squeeze the lemon on the top. Okay. Okay. Let's squeeze the lemon. I am taking 1 lemon. If you want more, so you can use also white vinegar here. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon olive oil, half teaspoon mixed herbs and salt and 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon white pepper and 2 tablespoon Young's French mayonnaise. I will prefer you must use this one. Okay, mix this all and prepare our COANCH salad. Now it's ready. Keep it inside. Okay, let's come to our chicken. Which kind of chicken are we gonna use? Here I have chicken breast pieces. These are slim. You can see clean and slim pieces I'm gonna use today. Okay, I'm taking half teaspoon regular salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and also I'm using curry powder. Okay, I'm using 1 tablespoon. Okay, Also, I'm using 1 tablespoon soya sauce. It's light soya sauce. If you are using dark soya sauce, so you can use it in half quantity. Also, I'm using Young's French mayonnaise here, 2 tablespoons, some fresh coriander. Okay, mix these all ingredients with our fingertips and we will apply this spice on our chicken pieces. Okay, now it's ready. Let's start applying. Keep separating and keep marinating your chicken. We will leave it only for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will start our preparation of bread. Today, I am telling you a union dough which you can use in your daily cooking. You can make a lot of breads or different kinds of breads with this dough. Okay, now our chicken has been marinated. Let's see our dough, mashallah. It's fermented very well. Let's start degas our dough. Okay, you can check the dough, how much beautifully it has been fermented. You can see the web inside our dough. Okay, let's knead it again. I'm gonna spread some dry flour on our counter. Okay, now place our dough and start kneading. First, flatten and then rub and then give it folds. Okay. After kneading, I will leave it about 15 to 20 minutes more. Now roll your dough and make its portions and then make its peras or dough balls. Totally, I will make its equally 4 to 5 portions. But first, I am taking a small amount of dough for demonstrating. Just you have to follow the process and you don't have to press it more power. Okay, I will make all of these with same process and I will give them again 15 to 20 minutes for getting ferment. Okay. There you go, friends. Here I have a fermented dough ball and let's spread it. I will take help of rolling pin. We have to make a rectangular shape. Okay. Let's roll it. Now it's ready. Let's start the procedure how to make our bread. First, I am placing my chicken pieces. I have slimmed these pieces for placing inside this bread. Okay, it's up to you how much do you want to fill or stuff in this bread inside. Now, I'm gonna place my COANCH salad here. Okay, I will fill this chicken with COANCH salad. Okay. Now we need its half. Now we will make strips of its further half part like this. You can use your pizza cutter or sharp knife, but I'm using my spatula. We need its equal parts or equal strips. Okay. When you will work with this dough, definitely your result with this dough would be 120% more than regular dough, which we make with egg. Okay, now it's done. Let's cover our stuffing or filling. We will fill or we will cover it properly. Okay, and also I'm gonna cover its or fold its side like this. Now give it another fold. Okay, now flip it. We kindly follow the same process. Let's work with these strips. We will take two strips and we will fold these and then twist these and place over the bread. Same here. Take two strips, fold and twist. We will complete all of these with same process and then we will place these strips downside or bottom of this bread. Okay. And just I will apply a little bit cooking oil on the surface of this bread before baking. Because it's eggless dough, so we are not going to apply egg wash on the surface of this bread. Let's place these remaining strips downside or downward the bread. Okay, you can see. Kindly follow the same process. We will make our other bread with little bit difference. Let's fold or let's give it a shape. We will give it a round shape. Okay. Just we have to pinch these ends together. Just. Now I'm gonna place some cheddar cheese in the gaps which we have made. You can see, mashallah, how much beautiful it's looking. Okay. Now I will give it some time for again fermenting and then I will keep it for baking. I have told you I use a big wok for baking. I don't bake my breads or any baking item in oven or microwave. I'm making our other bread with same process. Just we make little bit difference in this bread. If your strips become longer, so what to do? Just you have to place these in the gaps here. You can see in close up like this. Follow the same process. That would be your another unique design. Now roll it or make a circle. Now place your cheddar cheese. I have baked my two breads first. Let's see, mashallah, how much beautiful and gorgeous breads. You can see the presentation. And also I have served my remaining COANCH salad with these breads. Our one more bread is getting baked. Definitely I am gonna share with this one also. I hope you definitely gonna make this bread at your homes and you can make and enjoy. Okay viewers, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. And our third one bread is gonna be join us. There you go friends, our third one is also ready. Mashallah, mashallah. And friends, I have told you a unique and different dough recipe and also a unique, quick and easy bread recipe. So you will enjoy and me and my family in your joys. Okay, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. So keep enjoying and keep watching my videos and join my channel. Okay, viewers, Allah Hafiz.